So we are here with Andreu Blanes, silver medalist JWOC sprint. I think this is the biggest success for Spanish orienteering. Can you say something about this?
Oh, incredible. I think like perfect the race and really happy.
Did you expect the silver medal?
I dream it, but I don't know if I expect it or not. Just run and then see the result.
So did you prepare for this sprint in Lemberg some special way?
No, all the races, I think. Yeah.
So and for middle and long, what's your expectation?
Oh, I like the long. I think this year I have run pretty good the long distance, and I hope to do a good result.
Yeah, but I think sprint was your favorite discipline.
Oh, now yes. But before, that year I was 12 at middle distance, and it was my best result.
So what's your place expectation for middle and long?
Oh, I don't know. I would like top 6, but...
Or now it will be fiesta after...
No, now concentrate.
Yeah. Okay, but do you think this is the biggest success for Spanish orienteering so far in history?
I think so. We had a gold in New York by Antonio Martinez, but I think it is the best. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So congratulations and good luck. Rest.
Thanks.
Thanks.